Emma on the Go, and today we're at the Allan Brooks Nature Centre, where kids and birds take flight. Right now, I'm hanging out with Hans and Twari. What interests you about the birds?
It's a lot of fun working with them. I mean, you don't get to get this close to a big predator like this in the wild, so we have a lot of fun just hanging out, being really close and friendly with them. Okay, here we go.
The Raptors are here all summer long. That was cool. For more information on the Raptors and Allan Brooks Nature Centre, visit abnc.ca.
This is Kessie. She's our American kestrel. These guys are the smallest falcon in North America.
When you visit the Raptors, you can either do a flight demonstration or have a raptor encounter like me. That's a wrap for Emma on the Go. I'd like to thank Twari and Kessie for joining me today. This is brought to you by Tourism Vernon and the Allan Brooks Nature Centre.